Opening statements are set for tomorrow in the trial of a former Frisco ISD student accused of murdering a fellow student at a track meet. Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes.
And I'm Steve Eager. It's 9 o'clock. Karmelo Anthony is charged with murder for the stabbing death of Austin Metcalf last year. The 12-person jury, plus 6 alternates, were selected today. Just over 10% of Collin County's population is black. There will be no black jurors. Before the final jury was seated, the defense objected to the final 3 black candidates being struck by the prosecution. Fox 4's Amelia Jones is here to explain what it all means for the trial. Amelia.
Heather, Steve, before the jury was seated, the issue of race in the jury selection process was brought up by the defense. Karmelo Anthony's defense team argued that some potential jurors may have been unfairly struck because of race. This is what's called a Batson challenge in legal terms. But the judge denied it, saying prosecutors gave race-neutral explanations. Wednesday morning, potential jurors returned to the Collin County Courthouse. Attorneys for both sides each got 1 hour and 45 minutes to question the reduced panel. They were questioned on a variety of topics, including their views on race, how they feel about serving on this case, and whether they would hold it against the defendant if he chose not to testify on his own behalf. The defense also tried to gauge if the potential jurors would be uncomfortable giving Karmelo Anthony a lower sentence if there's a guilty verdict.
Question prospective jurors in this way, what we're left with is a jury that can approach the evidence fairly with an open mind, apply the law as the judge instructs it to the evidence, and then as was noted today, move on to a sentencing phase of the trial as well.
Anthony is accused of fatally stabbing 17-year-old Austin Metcalf last year at a Frisco ISD track meet. Witnesses say the two got in an argument and Anthony stabbed Metcalf in the chest. Metcalf died in his twin brother's arms. Police say Anthony claimed he acted in self-defense. The high-profile case has become racially charged, fueled in large part by online speculation, rumors, and misinformation. Race and jury selection became a focus in court Wednesday.
I'm gonna pause it. That's actually one of the main focuses, man. If this is because this is one of those cases when it happened and they thought, oh, white kid, the white kid would have got away with it if it was vice versa, but it's not. And I understand that, but in the jury, and that's what they say, your peers, a lot of them still have biases. They don't know that. They can't read through that. Like when they're selecting people out, they don't know. It's kind of like when you're buying a gun. They don't know that you're crazy, even though you put on a piece of paper that you're not. They don't know that you're not racist. You have a bias, so you don't really like black people. They just know what they know, and based on what you tell them. It could be perjury, but after the fact that you've been sentenced. I don't know. It's not fair in my case. I think they should have at least 2. Because in my eyes, I feel like this case needs at least one. Like, come on, y'all couldn't get one black person, bro. And to be honest, y'all want to know the real reason they said that, and I read about this earlier. The real reason that they said that they disqualified the other 3 black ones because they were actually teachers. So it wasn't due to their race. It was due to their affiliation with being inside of the system of the school. So I'm guessing that gives them a bias. To be honest, not only, I wouldn't even say that gives a bias, that gives more information to the story. Like, okay, well, you're a kid at this school. I've witnessed bullying. I witnessed kids do this. And, okay, I can bring my personal experience to the school setting. Yes, you shouldn't have had a weapon there, but was this happening? And then they can make an analyzation. Now, in this section, they got rid of all the people that could have any connections to a school's settings. Like I said, they should have kept them. They should at least have one black person there. But to be honest, bro, out of all the black people I know, bro, none of them have been selected for jury duty. None of them. And I know a lot of white people that I'm friends with have all been selected for jury duty. Like, and it ain't got nothing to do with nothing. They claim it's random. You know what I'm saying? And this is just the questioning part. Like, none of my black friends, I'm like, you been selected for jury duty? Nah, bro, I never got that letter. It's like they kind of selected. They says your jury of your like your co-people or whatever, like people that your peers. It's like these niggas ain't his peers, G. Like, just to be fair, y'all should at least have one black person now. Just to be fair. Because they're gonna call this, if the verdict doesn't go to on his behalf, they're gonna call it racist the whole time. They're gonna be filing for petitions. So it's like, just to make it fair, it's like the OJ trial. You can't put everybody on the OJ trial and remove the black people. No, you got to keep them. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep some of them, bro. Or make sure they like, all right, man, push it out, get more black people in here, and you know, go from there. Not to say this is fair or not, because they're not paying these people no money. I just had I just summoned the jury duty. That's what I'm saying. Like, I got summoned the jury duty. This was the first time ever, like ever, when all my friends been summoned like 3-4 times already, and they not paying their ass nothing but like $12 a day. So it's like, come on, man. First off, with all this money we spending, so I know this is off topic, but all this money that we spending, I think that we should probably use that money for jury duty. Let's start paying people $100 a day minimum. Minimum, bro. $100, that ain't shit. And give them lunch. Because, like, if I'm in there, and I'm not saying that I would do this, but if I had the mindset of a person that would do this, I would just be like, hey, man, I'm getting paid $12 today, G. Let's hurry this shit up. That nigga guilty. You know what I'm saying? Facts. I'm not playing. Y'all think they won't do it? Look, you and that bitch, $12, you could have been made $250, $300 that day. Maybe even $500 because you got the whole day. Like, you know, that's how much certain people be making per day. You can make $500 that day. You and that bitch making $12 a day, arguing about some shit that you don't really give a fuck about. You know what I'm saying? In your eyes, what are you gonna do? You're gonna be like, man, let's speed this up. You said he guilty. You said we ain't fighting no more. He guilty. You know what I'm saying? And that's how verdicts are being drawn. So, and that's the thing. Like, it's almost not fair for real. Like, it needs another vetting process in this. And I know it's hard to get people for jury duty, maybe because it's not attractive to get them there. But that's just my opinion. I don't know what y'all think about that situation, man. Like, how we should organize the jury duty system way better and efficiently than we are doing at the moment. That's my thoughts. So tell me what y'all think about that in the comment section. What do y'all think about him not having no black juries whatsoever? Because in my eyes, I feel like we need at least one black person in there, bro, just to say it's fair, even if that black person sides against him. You get what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. You just need one person of color to lower the eyes that are pointing at the jury, jury and the judge right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers like, nobody black on the jury. You know what I'm saying? You got to at least have one black person or two, even if they go against him. Just say it's fair. But anyway, no black people on this jury. This nigga screwed, G. Yeah. He chopped cheese, G. I'm telling you. Yeah. They're going to get him because he needs proper juries. I hope his lawyer is a decent lawyer, G. I hope he got a good lawyer. You better create a reasonable doubt or you're done, bucko. And then they're already asking for a life sentence if he get convicted because they already know that with this jury, you might get that sentence, G. So in that case, it's best for you to probably already ask for a lighter sentence. That's kind of what they were implying. They're implying let's ask for a lighter sentence from the get-go because if he loses, which is the odds are up because there's no black jurors, can he get a lighter sentence? And, man, and I was just talking about this on my other video about certain men, they're using their emotions instead of using their logic. Like, they must don't got nothing to lose. Or they either have shit to lose, but their impulse outweighs their shit to lose. Or they have nothing to lose whatsoever, and they're willing to put it all on the line right then and there, and they will kill somebody to lose their freedom, Jay. Facts. I'd rather you be a criminal, like drug use or, you know, distribution, than be a killer. You know what I'm saying? At least you get less time, right? It's your boy Angelo Savage, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this in the comment section. It's getting lit. It's lit as a titty up in here, man. Shit, I think that's all I got for tonight. So I already did my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects. Is that 5? No, 6 subjects. So we're going to post that for tomorrow morning. We're going to go on again, and we got to post every day this month until the 30th. And then his birthday post. Let's get it cracking, man. Y'all do my countdown for me, man. For my birthday, and since I'm a father too, I need y'all to go down below and hit that sub count button, G, right now. And don't forget to hit that like button, because I do's this. I'm a father. You hear me? And my birthday at the end of the month. You already know what it is, man. Hit that button below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Angelo Savage, man. This is the Daily Night News. This is the Savage Report. Angelo Savage, I'm reporting to you live. We got to get the hell out of here. So tell me what y'all think about this in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the love, and we're going to see y'all in the future. Let's get it busting. Let's get it cracking. On me. Peace.